Sumisigaw ka.
Kasi excited na nga ako sa Cool Pals World Tour this year.
Grabe ka naman ma-excite. Ako din excited na ako eh. Dahil kahit malayo tayo sa Pilipinas, pwede tayo magpadala ng pera sa mga pamilya natin sa pamamagitan ng Tap Send. Oh my God, OFW na ako.
Oo, alam nyo, ang Tap Send, game changer talaga siya. Siya yung mayroong pinakamagandang rates dito sa Pilipinas. Zero fees on mobile banks and e-wallets.
Talaga?
Saka super fast delivery in minutes.
Grabe na.
Since 2023 pa ang Tap Send. Sa US, Europe, Canada, UAE, Australia, boasting 15 plus million downloads.
Dami naman yan.
Oh, kaya download na mga boys and girls. And for the first time users, use the promo code COOLPALS, lahat capital letters, to get extra $20 on your first Padalove.
Magpadalab ka na sa plaza.
Nung gabing yun, heartbroken kasi ako nung time na yun. Tapos naghahanap ako ng, literal, sabi ko gusto ko makamit ng AFAM na, yung alam mo yun.
Meron din dito.
So after
Ganun.
nun, dapat pupunta kang poblasyon.
Oo, meron population pero very like you, like
Oo, yung mga
at that time, nung wala pang mga bar. But anyway, so sabi ko, wala, parang, sabi ko, pagtingin ko, oh, sino yan? Ngayon ko lang makita. Tapos dalawa pa sila nga, gwapo pareho. Tapos ang bilis, tapos parang yung nag-meet yung mata namin. Tapos ako yung parang, oh my God, nakita niya ako nakatingin. Yung parang gano'n. Tapos, maya-maya, may tumapik sa balikat ko. Somebody tapped my shoulder. Tapos, shishi.
I recommend you to try that pickup line.
The Pod Network Entertainment.
Keep trying. Try your best. Try your best, man, to keep up.
Okay, let's go, let's go. That's another English day. Oh my God.
Racist all night!
Tuwa yung tita mo, Racist.
Hoy, mga Cool Pals, make some noise. Ayos.
Punong-puno na naman tayo.
Ayos naman.
Ayos.
Sold out tayo ngayon ah.
So Mark, please let Itok and Ese be on standby because
Yes,
they
as
will be the
interpreter.
translators.
Yes.
Later, okay?
Ako subukan.
Especially Ese.
Oo.
Because he can translate an language of alien into welcome to the Cool Pals.
Episode 9, 6,
Ang tagal.
Exclusive.
On Spotify and YouTube.
Wag na, puta!
Ba't ka nag-iba pa agad?
Ha?
Huwag kang mag-iba. Kaya mo yan.
It's my friend's favorite song in the Bejoke. It's my in my English is in my hand and I can talk in English with this hand.
You're like a conductor.
Yes,
Why are you speaking in English today?
don't question me because you're letting me introduce our guest now.
So, since you volunteered in introducing, why don't you do it yourself?
Oh my God! Can you do it, Jilly?
You can do it.
Huh?
Come on.
Oh.
Can you ask the audience to introduce the guest?
Oh, can I call my friends? Itok and Ese?
I'll call my friend. Hello, John Robert Powers.
So, Sir Rems, can you introduce our guest? Just pointing each other, right?
Oh, ayos mga boys and girls.
Pwede naman pala mag-Tagalog po!
Oh, I forgot. Okay, hey boys and girls, our guest for today, live here at the Cool Pals. Miss Isa Calzazok. Hindi nila yun eh. Miss Isa.
Your friend, no, your friend.
And
Your
Ben
name is-
Winto.
From Between Us with Isa and Ben podcast, maraming salamat at welcome sa Cool Pals. How are you feeling, Ben? Are you Because this is all new to you, I'm sure.
Yeah.
It's quite new to me. I have not been on any show with comedians, so that's definitely new.
Yes, and this will be the last time.
I'm having fun so far.
Okay, good.
We will de-virginize you tonight.
No,
In front of an audience. That's my dream. Thank you.
we will pop your comedy cherry.
Yes, I was about to say that, Jimmy. Inugawa mo ko ng line.
Ay, sa mga cool pals, baka sabihin nyo, meron na naman akong kababata. Kababata ko si Icha. Hindi, pareho kaming nag-Miriam.
Oo. At
Pero lower batch naman si Isa, di man. Ako, batch 99.
high school.
Ako kasi nung high school. Hindi, college. Taka.
Okay lang, hindi na malayo yun. But pwede bang mag-hello muna? Sa mga Siyempre, may live audience tayo dito at may nakikinig din sa atin ngayon. So hello, ako po si Isa Calzado. Thank you so much sa ating Cool Pals for having us
Ano
here.
ka ba? You are always welcome.
Thank you. Alam nyo, siyempre, kinakabahan na excited itong asawa ko kanina papunta dito. Inisip niya, baka daw gagawin nyo lang siyang, butt of the jokes tonight.
Tama siya.
Oo, tama naman din siya. But
Yes.
excited siya. But
But.
the butt is the butt.
Yes. How is the
Hindi
butt
excited
actually,
siya.
Isa?
It's quite round and
Wow, Ben!
And white.
A winner butt.
okay. I could use more squats, ha? Love you. It's perfect as it is. Okay, anyway. Si Ben kasi, mahilig talaga kami sa comedy, lalo na siya. So, feeling ko talaga, natutuwa siya at kinikilig siya na nandito siya sa isang panel kasama mga komedyante. Kasi, one of his things in life is gusto niya, tinatawag siyang funny.
You're so funny, Ben.
Yeah!
I got that.
Oh my God. That's for Ben.
Thank you. That's all I needed to hear. I can go home. Thank you.
Okay.
No, Ben.
So, thank you
But
for
you know,
having
I'm already.
us.
I just realized. So we
Right.
obviously we met because we have the podcast network, the same call it production house, managing both of our podcasts.
Yes, the
The
network.
network.
The network, and so we're new to the podcast game.
We have a podcast, it's called Between Us. Hindi sabi nila, walang intereso. Sorry na.
What I wanted
Hindi
to
siya nakakatawa like this. Ibang flavor siya.
so what I wanted to say is already this is already more fun than our own podcast. So, to be honest with you,
Sabog. Wow.
our own podcast
Bye. First and last season. Bye, guys.
No, Ben.
Hindi naman. But what is
Dito na lang ako kada linggo. Parang masaya dito eh.
Paano kayo nag-decide na gumawa ng podcast?
How did you decide? What made you decide?
Yun!
Boom! Ayun eh.
What made you decide to get your own podcast?
Ba't naging
I want to make a deal.
podcast?
I want to make a deal. I'm game for anything today as long as you stay with that accent for the whole episode.
That is no
You can
problem,
do it.
Harry.
Yeah, you can do it.
That is
no,
no
Ben.
problem. So,
Ben, what did you do?
Did you used to sweep chimneys?
What?
You sound like a chimney sweepener.
Well, that is my day job. I used to work with Nanny McFay. And of course, Mother Goose.
Let me just explain what's happening, okay, Ben?
Yeah.
Because it's easier for James to speak in English if he's playing a character or an accent.
That is crikey.
So it's easier for him. He's much more fluent.
Please, whatever
when
makes it
he's
easier.
doing his
Yeah.
accent.
I'm glad to know we read the same children's books growing up.
Yeah.
You read the same. We actually read the same books.
Let's
Compare notes.
let's tell the book at the same time.
Yeah.
So we have chemistry. Okay, 1, 2, 3. It's what's the book? What is the book you're reading? And I'll tell you the book that I'm reading, but we tell it the same time.
Oh.
Yeah, to see
Okay.
What
if
book I'm
you-
reading
What
now?
book?
Yeah,
No,
no,
when you were
When you were
young.
young.
When we were young.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cause-
3, 2, 1.
FHM. Okay, sorry. I'm interrupting, said okay. Oh, yes. He said yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
My dad.
At what
my
age?
dad's
At what age,
my dad's
Dodong?
Playboy magazines.
Do you have FHM when you were growing up? Oh,
It's a different FM station again.
You see, the accent will change from time to time. So.
Yes, sir.
I'm going around Europe now.
Wait until you can
Scottish.
speak with the Nigerian prince.
Yeah,
Wait for that.
the Nigerian prince.
Yeah, I think a lot of Nigerian princes were educated in the UK. So, keen to hear the Nigerian prince.
Do you like to hear that?
Why, Ben? Why have you?
Quite impressive,
Yes.
James.
Si Benny. Do you know what that means?
Oh, no. Don't tell it because someone is being sued.
Well,
27 million.
Yeah, 27 million.
It means that, oh, there's a lion. Together with this attorney. Oh my God. No, Ben, yeah.
Yeah.
What made you decide? Ang tagal ng
Tagal.
Oo nga.
Kanina pa pala yung question na yun.
Di
What
ba
made you decide to do that?
to create this podcast? What is it all about? Why do you say it's
Salamat.
whose idea was it?
It was Isa's idea.
Yeah.
So the shortest answer.
Parang
is
pinagsisisihan
I
ko
had
na
to
po.
agree to. I had to
No, I
agree
love
to
you.
what Isa wanted to do.
Yeah.
I said I'm starting to regret it. I love you, no.
Can I join this podcast instead?
Yeah, I know. Can we join this podcast na lang? Parang yun na lang eh.
You're always
Please,
welcome
please.
here.
Thank you. So, how did it come about? We basically have a lot to talk about in like our marriage, in parenting, in growth, in our different, and really like struggles in my industry as a tech entrepreneur, Isa struggles in the entertainment industry. So we always knew we had like a lot to talk about, and we thought that people may be interested and maybe learn something from the conversations we have. But really,
And a lot
and
to
we don't-
learn.
and a lot to learn. So we interview a lot of guests from like different walks of life, and so we learn from these guests, and again, hopefully the audience learns something. But ultimately, first and foremost, honestly, we don't know if we're achieving that. But yet, we have a lot to learn ourselves about podcasting and interviews and stuff. But at minimum, actually, what it's become is it's actually a place where Isa and I can actually talk about real things. Because at home, we don't talk about like adult stuff. We don't have the time. We don't make the space for it. Not enough.
Not enough. Hindi kasi
right?
diba, sino
So-
po ditong may anak, may kuan ba?
Round of applause, yung mga
Oo,
may anak.
or kaya matagal na kayong magjowa. Pero lalo na pag may anak, parang nagiging minsan logistics na lang per day pag you're so busy, di ba?
Yes,
Yung parang, saan ba? Anong oras ba alis bukas? Tapos, anong lakad din dito? And then sometimes there's no space or bandwidth to have these important conversations between us. Kaya, yun pala yung naging gift doon. At hindi kami nakakapag-date. Alam mo yun, parang wala kaming time na, let's go out on a date to have this moment, to discuss this and that. Na yung intentional, yun yung naging gift ng podcast sessions namin and recording namin. And parang siya, shared, di ba? Parang let's say, para kaming nanood ng concert or nag-attend ng workshop together, meron kaming common theme na pwede pa namin pag-usapan pag-uwi, if i-flesh out namin, or pwede din namin pag-awayan. Ganon. Oo.
Mare. Ganito.
Mare.
Century Park Hotels.
Delis na! Kung naghahanap kayo ng quick merienda, nako, ang sagot lang dyan ay Delis na!
Ito yung spot na kapag bigla kang nag-crave ng something sweet,
Delis na!
Mga bread, pastries, ensimada, croissant, cookies, pati fresh.
Lagi! Ayan ang Delis na!
Pasalubong o pang coffee or gusto mong mag-legit cheesecake?
Delis na! Oy, yung mga patrons dyan, meron kayong 10% off dito. Kaya pumunta na kayo sa Delis na! Sino nga pala yung nanay ni Marcia, sa Jan and Marcia? Si Delis na! Oy, pero mas masarap pa rin dyan sa Delis na!
Oh, may 9 seconds pa tayo. Anong sasabihin natin?
Delis na!
Why?
Delis na! Ano bang mga na-discover nyo? May mga na-discover ba kayo sa podcast na doon nyo lang na-discover sa isa't isa?
About ourselves. Can you translate, please?
What are the things that is the first time you discovered about each other during making of the podcast? I don't know if it makes sense to you,
Quite accurate.
but I'm sure it makes sense in Novaliches.
I think
Did you understand?
I think I understood the Nigerian prince better. Can you try the Nigerian prince?
Let me dial it down. Aloben, what are the things that you and I, that the first time? You know, first time.
In the bininging.
You discovered about Liza that you only discovered through this podcast.
Guys, pa 13 minutes na. First question pa lang sila dito. Love
I
it.
apologize. I hope no Nigerian is watching this, but I understood that.
Yes.
So to answer your question, first, I realized that it's easier to have a serious conversation with Isa when the cameras are on. And honestly, because Isa
Sabog.
it's like Isa only
Patay.
like really concentrates when there's like a camera. And again, that's she's grown up like that, right?
Yeah.
But even like when we were she was learning how to play
Makulit
tennis.
kasi ako.
Even
Sabi
when,
nila
like-
hindi nila magets kasi ba mamere yung image nila sa akin. Hindi po kasi talaga image lang po talaga yun.
When Isa was learning how to play tennis, suddenly when the camera's on, she plays a lot better. When I'm recording her, plays much better because there's a camera. Anyway, I'm also being funny, but
Patay to natin mamaya.
but you know, in every episode, we're going to like different subjects, and through that conversation, learning things. You know, learning what Isa's views are on certain things. Again, those are conversations that don't really happen at home.
Oh, may mga na-discover din kaming mga ako. Parang, when we talked about success, I remember this. Medyo, admittedly, last year pa kasi namin sinimulan, August. So, medyo memory gap din. Pero, parang, ang tagal na. Pero, from what I remember is, we had this conversation on success. Tas parang, sabi ni Ben that growing up in Hong Kong, money was at the center of it all. Parang for them, parang
business
it was all
district
about
yan,
money. Tapos nagulat ako kasi parang alam kong very driven yung asawa ko and you know, business, it's obviously money is important to maintain our business. By the way, if you don't have it, please download Bookie. It's our app.
Bookie.
Bookie. Mamaya.
Iba
What is
yata.
Bookie, Ben?
Bookie. It's
It's nice to know that you like the name. Like you really Bookie.
My voice goes high sometimes. It's a restaurant discovery and deals platform, so you can download it. We have the biggest collection of deals. So when you open it, you see all the restaurant deals around you, up to 50% off, buy one get one. And we actually recently launched with Gcash. So actually, when you open Gcash on the home screen,
Shut up!
yeah, there's a button. So, all right. This is PR for me and PR for Gcash. Free
Yes.
PR for Gcash.
Give nyo na, guys.
When you open it, there's a button here called Near You.
Oh, we can see your amount balance.
Sensya na, guys. Ganun talaga.
Is that a
kami
game?
kumpanya,
Should we look
wala
at
ng
everybody's
pera.
balance?
Yeah, you can see your
Let's look at
balance. You can
everybody's
actually pay 500 for each of the audience.
That's my phone.
It's my phone.
You have money?
That all goes to our
Humingi ka
Morocco
ng
bill.
5,000 yung isang araw.
That all goes to our Morocco bill this
in the interface.
this month.
Later,
Anyway,
later.
I can't hide it. There's a button here called Near You, and it
Tinago
basically
sa akin
shows-
yun, ah.
It shows all the deals around you. So same as Bookie, but it's blue. So we're like the engine powering it. So please try download Bookie or have a look on Gcash. It's all there. Buy one get one Auntie Anne's, 50% off.
Oh, what a-
Channel One.
What a sly
Anyway.
businessman.
Oh, what? Sorry.
I can
Wait
go now.
lang.
You inserted a sponsorship,
Yes.
right? Under our nose! Without paying us!
Hindi, eto na.
The buy
Ako
one, take
yun,
one.
hindi siya. Sinong mas sly? Yung Macy's. Hindi, para lang sa kaalaman ninyo. Kung mahilig kayo sa deals at mahilig kayo magtipid, at lahat naman tayo, lalo na sa panahon ngayon,
Oo.
di ba? Hanggat pwede tayong makatipid, titipid tayo.
Is there diesel there in Bukid? Diesel?
I hope
Diesel
so.
gasoline.
That's the next,
Yes.
sana partnership. But Ben, just for everyone's knowledge, how much have you saved for the Filipino people since you started this? The deals.
It's coming over like 4 billion pesos since
Shut
we started.
up!
Thank you, Ben.
40 billion?
40,
billion.
grabe yung 4 billion.
4 billion.
Since before
It
pandemic
started
yun.
2000. We started the deals part 2016, 2017.
So malaking bagay yun. Para lang alam nyo
Makatipid.
na merong naiaambag kami in our own special way.
Oo nga. Galing.
How did you come up with the Bookie app?
Thank you.
Thanks for the question. Like most things in life, I was solving a problem for my wife and I.
So sinasabi niya magastos ka daw.
Hindi pa deals nung una. Ganyan.
Well,
Sige,
originally,
tell them.
like with so many couples, like in a relationship, eating out a lot, and this was back in 2014, 2015, 2014. There was, every day the question is, where should we eat, right? And at that time, there was no good resource to get updated information, right?
And yung mga contact numbers. Kasi ngayon, mas updated na. Pero dati, pag tumingin ka, puro review. Sabi ko, ayokong tumingin ng review. I don't want to look at reviews. I just want the number. I want to know what's on the menu, mga ganyan. So sabi niya, what if there was an app? Gumanon siya.
So
That's
the
how it
name
started.
Bookie actually comes from the word phone book. So its first version, it was
Oh,
just
it's not from Pookie?
that would have made us a lot
Yes,
more
it's
money.
the same problem with Dan Rams. He just wants the name and the number.
To get some Pookie.
Yes. I don't like the reviews.
Gusto
I
mo
just
ba
want the
ng app
name
na
and the
ganon,
number.
Rem? Gusto mo ba ng app na ganon, Rem?
Let's make that up. Let's
That-
make that up.
Dad, what if there's an app?
Di ba? Ang ganda, Rem.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh.
We call it,
That would be
Do you
nice.
know Pookie?
Andito naman po.
You know Pookie?
Yeah.
What is Pookie?
What is Bookie?
Nakakatakot.
Bookie is different things to different people,
Yeah.
right?
Yes, yes.
But
Some are white, some
Yes.
are...
yeah.
Ay, ayun.
I'm sorry.
Pagkala natin ang alak yung sa labat mo.
I'm sorry. That's my unfiltered thoughts. Anyway, go ahead, Ryan Rems.
Hey, it says here, Ben, that you speak some Mandarin. Yeah, so can you understand Bruce Lee movies without subtitle?
I don't think any of the Bruce Lee movies were in Chinese.
Huh?
Were they?
Oh.
Were there? I'm not super like expert on this, but yeah.
But you can understand Star Movies Mandarin completely?
No,
Like that?
no. I mean, no. I think I got to an okay level. I used to live in China, 2007, 2009. So it's been a while. My Chinese is very rusty, but at that point, I was conversational.
Sampot.
Everything on TV is a bit fast, right? The movies and like.
Sampot.
We have Chinese GB here who can strike a conversation with you.
We're gonna take the racism a little bit more higher this time then. So you are racist, huh? Although I mean you Chinese, you speak Chinese, huh? Shishi, shishi. You're shishi?
Shishi. Is that your dog's name?
No.
Yeah.
No, you tell me. You speak to me in Chinese,
Okay,
and
I'll ask you a question.
translate.
I'll ask you a few
translate.
questions.
Yeah.
你叫什么名字?
Oh yes, I like it hot. What did you say?
I go again.
What did you?
你几岁了?
Yeah.
Siniskwela.
No. Yes, I twice a day.
Perfect.
What was the question?
So just to translate for everybody, he likes to touch his bumhole twice a day.
Because I have to wipe it.
Congratulations!
I like the show.
One more. Because that is very
Sabi ko na
average
sa
for
inyo eh.
that's very average for a guy to touch the butthole twice a day.
Yeah, maybe
Parang
lower than
more.
average.
Oh, ayan.
Yeah. 你在哪里学习中文?
Every day.
Every day.
What's that?
He's basically saying how grateful he is for this show and the audience that you guys have.
Oh, galing.
Okay na ina nyo. Okay na nyo. Lahat ng mga nagtuna sa akin, ha? Ako hawak kwet twice a day. Ako grateful dito na show every day. CCD.
Yes, Annie.
Isa, paano kayo nag-meet ni Ben?
Hindi ko kinakaya to. I love it. Paano nga?
Ben, how I asked Isa how you guys
Oh, siya na lang. Magtrabaho, linggo eh.
Okay, sige. How ikaw na lang bahala Isa mag-ano. How did you guys meet? What accent is that?
So in 2011, alam niyo yung magazine Esquire? So nung nilaunch siya dito, there was this big ball party. So, wow, kunwari ball, basketball. Anyway, I hosted that evening. Tapos ano siya, medyo bago pa dito si Ben. Hindi pa nga siya actually nag-move sa Philippines. So he was invited as a guest. And
Why was he invited? Why was he invited?
Oo nga, bakit?
Why were you invited in the Esquire?
A friend invited me. My brother and I were in town, and we were looking for a fun night out.
Well, it was
Doesn't
a
happen
fun...
to Filipinos when we have a
Not
want to
that
have a fun
fun.
night out. We end up at Paddy's Point. you end up in Esquire, ha?
Wala, pag ganyan yung itsura mo
Oo nga
eh. Sorry
Maganda
na lang.
Paddy's Point to. I want to go out.
Diba?
Go out tonight. Where we're going?
Mr. King Sisig.
Masarap naman.
Oh, how about you, Rems? Where is your fun night?
Yeah.
Quezon Ave.
Bookie!
I just want the name and the number.
Pookie.
Uy, Gagi, ready na ako.
Uy,
Ito,
saan?
na-impake na ako kasi excited na ako sa Cool Pals World Tour this year.
Ay, oo, buti nasabi mo yun. Ako din kasi excited na ako. Kasi alam mo, kahit nasaan tayong parte ng bansa, or ng mundo, ay mas madali na lang magpadala ng pera sa pamilya. Akala mo naman mag-OFW. Dahil yan sa Top Cent.
Totoo, alam nyo, sa TapTap Send is a game changer. Best rates to Philippines, zero fees on mobile banks and e-wallets.
Saka super fast delivery in minutes. Saka since 2023 pa ang TapTap Send sa US, Europe, Canada, UAE, Australia, boasting 15 plus million downloads.
Aba, sa amin naman yan.
Tama.
Yeah, kaya download na mga boys and girls. And for the first-time users, use the promo code COOLPALS, lahat capital letters, to get extra $20 on your first Padalove.
Oh, ano nangyayari sa'yo?
Eh, hindi, kasi nandyan na yung bus. Paalis na tayo.
So,
yeah.
anyway, so nagkakilala kami. And what happened? So I was hosting. It was a party. Oh, let's paint a picture for the audience.
What were you wearing, Ben? Is it a suit?
Isa will know. Isa will remember. The guy won't remember, but I think the lady will remember.
I think it was, nakasuit siya. So akala ko nga parang, mukha silang, nung nakita ko kasi dalawa sila, ang gwapo nito ah. Tapos hindi ko alam magkapatid. Sabi ko, oh my God, sino itong dalawang to? Siyempre lahat nakabihis nung gabing yun. Dahil
Esquire.
formal
Can you
yung
naman sa
ano.
Paddy's Point?
Oo. Nakabihis din kami.
Nakabisi.
Yung iba nakakinailas lang.
What's
Sabi
the matter
nakabihis
here?
Hindi, yung naka-formal shoes. So akala ko dati, nabudol ako nung event. Nung nag-date kami, parang, ano nangyari sa sapatos? Hindi na formal. Oo, hindi. Simpleng simpleng tao to si Ben eh. So, nung gabing yun, akala ko parang, uy,
Prince Charming.
Prince Charming.
Can you describe, Ben, the moment you saw Isa and then when you approached her? How did that happen? Did you know that she's the Mama Mary? Did you know that she's the Mama Mary of the Philippines? We love her. She's the Mama Mary of the Philippines.
Yeah. For more context, she was on stage. She was hosting.
Okay.
So I remember she was wearing a blue dress.
Yes, like Mama Mary.
Like Mama
Like
Mary.
Mama
Mama
Mary.
Mary's dress. Yes,
So,
that's how we also look at Mama Mary. She's up on the stage. Yes.
So
Okay.
she got my attention, and I knew a few people in the room, and I asked a friend about her, and then basically one of our mutual friends, Isabel Daza, she basically just pulled our arms, connected us, and said like, please talk.
Mali!
Mali!
I think, man. You're so
Daddy
wrong,
naman.
man. I think we have another
Simple.
episode for your podcast. Okay, so...
Anyway, pa yung sabi, tama naman si
Tama
Isabel.
naman, konti.
Pero kasi nga nakita ko siya. Okay, yung katotohanan niya, nung gabing yun, heartbroken kasi ako nung time na yun. Tapos naghahanap ako ng, literal, sabi ko, gusto ko makamit ng AFAM na, yung, alam mo yun.
Meron din dito.
So after
Ganun.
nun, dapat pupunta kang poblasyon.
Oh, poblasyon na, poblasyon, pero very like you, like,
Yung mga
at
beer
that
house
time,
pala.
nung wala pang mga bar. But anyway, so sabi ko, wala, parang, sabi ko, pagtingin ko, oy, sino yan? Ngayon ko lang nakita. Tapos dalawa pa sila nga, gwapo pareho. Tapos ang bilis, tapos parang yung nag-meet yung mata namin. Tapos ako yung parang, oh my God, nakita niya ako nakatingin. Yung parang gano'n. Tapos, maya-maya, may tumapik sa balikat ko. Somebody tapped my shoulder. Tapos, shishi.
I recommend you to try that pickup line.
I hope it works. But, hindi. So, Isabel Daza yung nakita ko. Tapos sabi niya lang saan. Tapos kasama siya, sabi niya, Isa, Ben, Isa, single. Tapos ako parang, oh my God, nakita niya ako nakatingin. Tapos inisip ko na lang the whole night na parang, inisip niya siguro dahil nakita niya ako nakatingin, easy lang ako, ha?
Oh, isa.
Easy kalsado ka.
Oh, hindi.
Not easy. I'm
Hard
Isa.
to get tayo,
Oo, tama.
no? Tapos pilit niya akong sabi niya, here, you want a drink? Sabi ko, I'm not drinking tonight. I don't drink tonight. Like, not tonight, ganyan. Mga kailan siyang sabi noon. Tapos sabi
No drink!
Tapos sinampas ko siya.
That's all the banter I had.
Yeah. And then, sabi, si Sam YG, kasi mga kaibigan ko yung boys night out Tapos, nung time na yon lagi kami magkasama dahil sa Eat Bulaga. So, sabi niya sa akin, type kaya ta ni Papi. Tapos sabi ko, talaga ba? Parang hindi ko naman gets kung talagang type niya ako. But anyway, that's how it started.
Bakit is Ben hard to read?
Oo. Kasi, sanay kasi ako pag, let's say, pag type ka ng lalaki, parang nakatingin sa'yo lagi. Ewan ko, parang ganun yung nafe-feel ko or may nafe-feel ako. Kay Ben, hanggang ngayon wala ako na-feel. Hard to read. Joke lang. Daddy, he's kasi
Poker face.
Poker face. Ang galing. So, tapos may style. Kung may iba-iba ding girls na kinakausap. So, hindi mo sure kung ako ba talaga yung type nito o may iba pa. I said you were also talking to some other
So many girls.
women. I know.
Ben. Oh my God, Ben.
What's your agenda that night?
Oo nga.
Why
Oo
are
nga,
you talking to many girls?
Oo, and why did you keep asking me to drink?
Is there something on that drink?
Is there something in that drink? Oh, no, it's
Like
not that type of
Ajinomoto?
Ni hao.
Oo, Betchy.
Pogi na to tao to. No.
Go ahead.
For context, I was 29 years old,
Well,
right?
okay.
Single, and so
Having fun.
my agenda was, I think, like most single young people, right?
To go to Paddy's Point.
I love Paddy's Point.
Not Paddy's
And I love
I
C6.
actually like
I love
Paddy's
it.
Point. No, I think to have fun.
Yeah.
Just to have
Yeah.
Were you trying to... Who are the girls that you...
Huwag na.
Kahit yan si Mama Mary. Kahit si Mama Mary.
Pakinggan ko yung mga yun. Oo, huwag na.
But how did you connect with Isa?
Yeah, that was the first date. The first date. Can you take us to the first date?
The first date.
No,
yeah,
let her
we
answer.
went-
You'll get it wrong.
Thank you.
Hindi, naalala ko nung gabi yun. Parang, ano ba yun? Because nakaano ko nun, sinong familiar sa CrossFit nung time na yun,
Si Nonong,
2011. 2011,
Ayan, no?
basta,
Flavor ng pagkain yan.
Hindi.
Okay.
basta anyway,
Parang ano na yun, High Rocks.
parang High Rocks ngayon, ganon. So, maano talaga ako sa diet ko. So, nung time na yun, meron silang paleo challenge. We could only have carbs and alcohol once a week, ganyan. So, ako, pag may sinimulan ako, talagang tutok ako dyan. Eh, nung gabing yun, hindi yun yung allotted carb day ko. Kaya ayoko minom, ganyan. So, we were talking about that. So, you got my number ba? Ay, ito. Nakakatawa, may naalala ko.
Ano na?
Sabi niya,
Patay ka na, Ben.
No,
Ben, oh my God, Ben!
Oh my God!
Eto
oh
na
my
nga.
God!
Eto na nga.
Dapat na-discuss. Sige,
go,
ibigay
go.
ko to sa podcast nyo. Para na lang ano.
Oh, after
Dapat to
nito-
para sa podcast na.
After nito, pakinggan niyo yung podcast
Oo
nila.
nga, hindi. So, thank you, I love you. Sabi niyang ganun. So, nung paalis na ako, so maybe I'll just find you on Facebook or something. Tapos ako talaga yung parang, huh? Subukan mo. Eh, di ba yung time na yun, marami ng mga fake account,
Yes,
ganun. Parang ako, why don't you just get my number? Ginanon ko, diretsa.
Gusto din eh.
Hindi tayo,
Oo.
29 na tayo. Hindi tayo pa Maria Clara pang ano ba? Tsaka ayoko ng, anong find me on Facebook? Diyos ko, ito na ako, nandito
Daming
ako.
Mama Mary mong dadaanan.
Oo.
Bago mo makita si Isa.
Oo,
Baka
ang dami nga. Di ba, parang ako, kunin mo yung number ko, ibibigay ko sa'yo, magkausap tayo buong gabi, di ba? Diretsahan, wala paligoy-ligoy.
Yan, yung mga babae na dito.
Ang ma-add niya sana yung Isa Calzado full.
Sayang, no? Sana. Journey din yun eh.
Sayang.
Mama Mary full.
Hindi. So anyway, so I gave him my number and then yung first message niya sa akin, do you want to grab carbs with me?
Wow, that's hot.
The fuck?
Nakuha ka nun? Grab
I think perfect naman yun for Filipinos. Actually, that's a very nice. Do you want to get carbs? Kasi we like rice.
We like guys.
So date nyo, laging lahat kanin. So,
Ben, ikaw naman, share naman from your perspective.
Yeah, so-
ano nangyari?
How many times did you delete and re-edit and then
yeah.
and then
Oh,
the
wow.
first message?
Oo,
Like,
yung how long did it take you or was it like spontaneous?
Were you in
I've
the
never asked
toilet?
him that question. Thank you, GB.
I don't really remember, but I think it was like the obvious first question to ask if you want to get carbs, because I knew it was a weak point for Isa because she doesn't have carbs for the whole week because she's she was on a strict diet.
Yeah.
So I thought that was the
perfect line.
the highest converting question to
Yes.
state. Yeah. Without help of ChatGPT, so and we're here now, so it worked.
Oh, yeah, it worked. So where did you guys go? Like, where did you get her to
People's
eat
Palace.
her carbs? Huh?
People's Palace,
People's
Thai
Palace.
restaurant in
Did you
Greenbelt.
order rice and pancit canton?
That's
Kind
hard.
of.
Carb on carbs.
Almost.
Parang, pero yung Thai version. So, kanin at saka pad
Pad
thai.
thai.
So, ganun. Iba lang. Same.
So, how did the chemistry went during that date? Is it spontaneous or were you testing the waters on what topics you're going to discuss?
I thought it went pretty well. What was your impression from the first date?
Is it 5 stars on Bookie?
Yung,
The pad
yung
thai, the
sapatos
pad
niya talaga 1 star nung araw na yun.
What is the
Mag-give
shoe?
up na yung yung sapatos niya. Pero the conversation was 5 stars.
Wow.
Oo. Kaya lang, yun yung, kasi British siya, hindi ko talaga maintindihan masyado. Yung, paulit-ulit ako. Ang sabi mo, like, what did you say? Tapos naalala ko, sabi namin, nag-order kami. Sabi ko, yung basil chicken, sabi niya, what do you want? I said, basil. Oh, you mean basil. Sabi ko, basil. Sabi niya, who says basil?
Have you seen our singer, Basil Valdez? Basil Valdez enters the room. Oh, it's
Sabi ko na sa 1.5.
It's Basil Valdez!
Ano na pala?
I didn't- so for the record, on that
4.5.
I didn't mean that. I was I think intentionally
Being facetious.
teasing you a bit.
Oo,
Yeah, I was teasing you.
nangaasar. Tapos kinuwento ko sa kanya na kung ano ba yun? Kinuwento ko sa kanya na nung high school ako, mataba ako, malaki ako. Sabi niya, oh, so you were a fatty.
Again teasing.
Grabe. Pero alam mo yung
Basil.
baso. Grabe yung sabi ko. Buti na lang, nung
I'm gonna call her that now. That's a good nickname.
But alam mo yun, parang buti na lang, after a while, nakilala ko siya. Tapos, mabuti yung puso, maayos, ganyan. Tapos, ayun.
What was the shoe?
It was
My favorite shoes at the time.
What's that?
Laswag na ba?
Bandolino?
Yung talagang...
Bandolino!
Actually, hindi ko na maalala yung tatak. Yung ano lang niya, yung talagang, kuya, magpalit ka na ng sapatos. Pero alam mo, yun ang nalaman ko. You can really tell a man by his shoes.
Does it have...
Nalalaswag na siya. Hindi,
Does
joke.
it have a light?
Hindi.
Does it have a sound?
Only you can understand, Ben.
If
you only understand Tagalog.
Out.
Yeah, worn out.
I think it did squeak a little bit. I think it did.
No, hindi. Kasi si Ben, ang nalaman ko sa kanya, pag may gusto siya, gagamitin niya talaga. At alam mo yun, faithful siya to that shoe. Kasi ang pihikan yan, pag nag-shopping, ang dami niyang mga parameters, kahit sa t-shirt, sa kung ano man, parang it has to fit well, kailangan daw magaan yung shoe, ang dami niyang, kumbaga, requirement.
It does have sound and lights.
Yes.
What's the sound and lights, Nonong?
Fire! Fire!
Shoes with fire and light. We have that in the Philippines.
Cool.
So that you don't get lost in the mall.
I need that help. I'm very picky with my shoes.
Very. So there.
Ay, alam mo, ang hirap talaga pag may live audience tapos nakikita mo silang kumakain. Nakakagutom talaga.
Sinabi mo pa. Ngayon, problema ko, natatakam ako. Parang nakikrave ako sa sisig, sa Hungarian, tsaka sa burger.
Napakatakaw mong hayop ka.
Huwag kayong mag-away. Okay lang mag-crave. Dahil may solusyon dyan, ang Minute Burger.
Talaga?
Oo. Gusto mo ng sisig?
Oo.
Gusto mo ng Hungarian?
Oo.
Ang Minute Burger, merong sisig burger at beef Hungarian sausage na available sa Grab at sa lahat ng stores nationwide.
Ay, nako, Jomar. Kumuha ka nga ng 5 sisig burger tsaka 5 Hungarian sausage. Hoy, eto na. Ang bilis. Ang bilis. Ito na ba yun?
Galing! Ang bilis!
Hoy.
Ang maganda sa Minute Burger, buy one, take one lahat ng
Ay,
mga
kaya pala.
sandwiches. O, dalawa yan.
Dalawa to.
Teka lang, JB. How can we pay for this?
Click the link sa description and when ordering via Grab, use voucher code KUTOMOMENTS MB for discount. Promo starts April 14 until May 30, 2026.
Ang adlib lang na dun yung,
Kaya tandaan nyo mga Cool Pals, Minute Burger ang sagot sa gutom moments.
wow,
Kain
gutom
na.
na ako. Tara, kain na tayo.
Minute
Meron pa ba
burger.
dyan? Meron pa dyan?
Uy,
ang
lilipad
bilis!
nga, ang bilis.
Grabe.
Meron ba?
Ay,
Wow,
uy,
grabe!
Grabe, ang
Bango
dami. Uy, ito yung Hungarian.
Uy,
galing.
buy one, take one din.
Ang lupit oh.
Ay na. What's the chemistry inside the house after you got married?
Actually, the relationship itself. Ben?
Ganda na ito
Hello,
lang.
Ben.
Oo.
You're walking on thin glass. Thin ice.
Actually, okay
It's been
lang.
a beautiful, harmonious journey. all the
Yeah.
way.
Great answer. Great
Great
answer.
answer.
Okay, let's skip to the
Daddy,
next question,
no.
Ben.
Yeah. It's good. This is a comedy show.
Yeah.
Oh, dali, tell them what it's like. Makuha ka sa tingin. Hindi naintindihan.
Was it difficult for you to hang out with her or be with her in public because she is a celebrity?
That's a good
That's you're like the guy from Notting Hill. You know? She's Julia Roberts,
Wow.
and you're the guy. Yeah.
Is someone
I love you na, GB. Mas love kita na
Yeah.
eh.
Sige.
is
So,
someone shouting, "You're dating Mama Mary!"
did you know? Did you know that about her? That she
Yeah, but the Mama Mary came a bit later.
After.
We met 2011.
Okay.
Amihan pa lang
even
nun yung
now,
medyo.
yeah, that comes now.
Amihan.
That comes
Mama
now.
Mary and Pontius Pilate?
Yeah.
What a love team!
You look,
Who's that guy?
Pontius Pilate? The one
Ay.
who is responsible for the death of Jesus!
Who's being a CrossFit?
yeah. So what did it became hard for you, or
I mean,
to court
that-
her or
that
to be
part-
with her because she's always, people always having her
Pictures.
photos and
No, I mean,
autographs.
there's pros and cons,
Okay.
and definitely the pros super outweigh the
No,
cons.
but in the beginning.
And,
he's
at
talking
the
about
beginning,
in the beginning.
Was it hard for you?
no,
Like,
no,
oh,
I don't think so.
Well-
I mean, at the moment, like even at the beginning, I think I just loved that. Sometimes in restaurants we get like a free dessert or a free coffee. Like, yes,
So, alam niyo na.
Oh my God.
men are very simple. Men are very simple, right?
Hindi lang pala eh. Baka kaya ako pinakasalan dahil sa mga libre.
Walking discount.
There's a couple of that
Yeah.
it helps.
happens, it
It
happens.
helps.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
It's like yes. It helps. Sometimes
Did you know that you beat the red light, Mama Mary?
But if you forgive, sasabihin na pa siya,
yeah.
if you forgive my sins, I'll forgive you this time. Okay. You can go forward. It's Mama Mary! It's Mama Mary!
Tapos kayo, pagpalain ka ng Diyos.
I guess beating the red light is the one mortal sin.
No, it happens with celebrities. It's not, even with sports athletes.
It's cruel. It's cruel. Like, and a lot of the, like, a few times that it's happened, I open the window and I plead my case for like 10, 15 minutes,
Yeah.
like trying to like get out of this myself.
Yeah.
And then I hit a point where I'm just like, I give up and I'm like, Isa, can you open the window? I'm so sorry. And instantaneously,
Yeah,
like
the light,
it's kind of fixed. And then like, so it's mixed emotions. And I'm like, yes, we got her out of it, but like, oh my God, I tried for 15 minutes. like this is cruel.
Yeah.
Anyway,
is a
but
privilege.
That's only happened a couple of
Sometimes.
times. It's only happened a couple of times.
Ang kapalit naman
Yeah.
niya ay maraming bagay din. I mean, pros and cons, di ba? You lose your anonymity, you have to be pleasant all the time, which I normally am naman. Buti na lang, praise be to God, thank you Lord. And pero I think it was hard for him sometimes to understand that na parang yung merong certain injustice there for him eh. And even for me sometimes, kaya tinatry ko yung hanggat maaari, yung kung pwedeng wag nyo na, yung isabay nyo lang ako sa tamang ruta. Pero minsan din kasi, just to let you know that it's not about cutting the line. It's about not having all that attention and creating more attention in a certain situation. Oo. But yung ibang usapan dito.
Kasalanan ni Ben yan.
We never. It's usually like super innocent stuff, like there's a light broken we didn't know or whatever something. So-
Madami noon, nung pandemic nung nasira yung bulb namin. Oh my God, nakakahiya.
Yeah.
But I know, I think adjusting, feeling ko si Ben kasi were you ever uncomfortable with, actually it's more of, because now suddenly you had all this attention. Kasi ako nung 10 years na ako sa industriya nung nagkakilala kami. So I think my question, well, podcast ko to.
Yes.
Yeah, sige, you ask him.
Grill him, grill him.
Hindi. Sure. Yeah, every day. Ano ba? Was that, how was that for you? I mean, obviously, as a foreigner in the Philippines, you already kind of stand out. But that was extra, I guess, attention in the beginning or until now. And you're not the most comfortable with attention. Hindi siya kasi gwapong-gwapo or feel niya na gusto niyang tinitignan siya.
Oh, same as with Nono.
Yeah. Same na same.
Sheshe.
Sheshe! Hindi siya ganun. So parang, what was that transition like for you coming from,
No, again, more upside than downside. And in starting my bookie and growing it, my relationship with Isa really really helped. 'Cause I didn't grow up here, so I don't have a network of contacts. So when starting bookie, I really leveraged Isa's network.
Naku, ginamit na naman ako.
And so
Guys,
being,
parang may tema dito.
So when I in the first few years I was here in the Philippines, like at parties, a friend would introduce me to their friends, and it would always be, this is Ben Wintle, the boyfriend of Isa Calzado. Right, I could never get away from that. And then it took me like 4 or 5 years to build up Bookie, And then that changed to, this is Ben Wintle, the founder CEO of Bookie. And I'm like, yes, I have my own identity in the Philippines.
Husband of Isa Calzado.
Yeah. You got to the punchline. You got to the punchline.
No,
Yeah.
and then, now. The
Yeah,
punchline.
and then we got married, and then it went back to like, this is Ben Wintle, the husband of Isa Calzado. But now it's Ben Wintle, the father of our daughter Dea, who is
The daughter of Isa
is getting.
Yes.
This is the father of the daughter of Isa Calzado. Exactly. So, but Dea is getting a bit of limelight at the moment on social media. So, yeah.
What's go Rems?
Outside the topic, did you also teach him some ballroom dancing moves that you got from
I
your
love
dad?
how well researched you guys
How did you
are,
know
by
that?
the way.
How did you know that?
Gusto ko lang sabihin na ganito lang sila, pero yung team nila, or kayo to, sobra yung research na ginawa nila. We were looking at this sheet kanina, parang,
Wala dito
oh wow. Wala ba?
Wala dyan.
Na-store lang sa aking memory.
Yeah, that's not. I can confirm. It's not on the paper.
Hanggang doon
It's not on the
tinapos,
paper.
Dahil, Mama Mary, i-follower mo yan, si Judas yan.
Ikaw pala!
Because way back, I had an OJT in IBC 13, and your father was one of the directors. Yeah, I learned some swing from your dad. And fast forward, I think.
Teka, OJT ka ng alin?
At saka bakit kayo nagbo-ballroom nung bata?
Bakit?
Sarita! Gusto mo ballroom? Yes po,
Oh.
direct.
Kasi in IBC 13 before, I had to complete 200 hours of OJT.
What year was this?
100 hours doon, ballroom.
What year was this?
Year 1999, and I remember I still had the 4 hours gap, so that I could get a clearing, and to feel that I had to learn ballroom from you.
From my dad. Yes!
Paano nangyari?
I love you, Daddy.
As in, I didn't know that I was a quick learner.
Sinabi niya yon? Kung sinabi niya yon, maniwala ka dahil hindi nang bobola yun.
Then fast forward, the show came.
Anong show ito?
Easy Dancing.
Oh my God! With Tatay Al.
Yes.
Al Queen. Oh my
Al
gosh!
Queen and who else?
Ding Bolaños ba nandun?
Yeah, and I forgot Alvin.
Alvin Anson.
Anson, yan.
Yes.
So my parents used to watch that.
Okay.
Yeah. I think that was my father's last favorite show before he passed. Yeah.
Anong pangalan ng parents mo?
Arturo and Mila.
Andito sila today with Lito and Marianne.
Ay, boy pa si Mila eh.
Hanggang sa susunod na tawanan, dito lang sa Cool Pals!
The Cool Pals is brought to you by the Pod Network Entertainment. Be a Patreon subscriber. Visit www.thecoolpals.com. Watch our live recording at the Cool Pals Bar at the Cellar here at Century Park Hotel, Manila. For schedules, visit our website.
www.thecoolpals.com din yan. Bili kayong ticket dyan. May bayad ang entrance dito. Huwag kayong kuripot. And follow socials sa Facebook, Instagram, X, at TikTok. So, manood din rin kayo ng vlogs namin sa YouTube.
Yan.
Ngayon
Sama mo yan! Isama mo yun!
Isama na yun!
Sama na yan.
Isama mo yun!
Putang inang yan.
Mag-Patreon kaya para may panggamot kami kay Roger.
Please, mag-Patreon na kayo kung gusto yung mabati. Doon lamang. Huwag na kayong mag-comment pa para na kayong tanga niyan.
Yan.
Matatakot! Matatakot nanay yan! Kinukuha na siya ni Mama Mary!
Winelcome na siya agad! Winelcome na siya agad sa langit! Winelcome na siya
Ibalik mo, Mama Mary!
Sobrang
Kailangan
bulas!
bumalik,
Ligtas
pinabalik
points!
kita dito sa lupa!
Si Ben is the only one who doesn't know what's happening.
You know, I'll translate what happened to you, Ben. Isa killed herself.
Yeah.
She's still alive.
Still
But
alive. Still alive.
she assumed that she
I'm
is
so
in
sorry.
heaven.
Lest before I have sinned. Remy, ganda sana nung moment. Napaka-sincere eh. Basag.
Hoy, tawagan mo yung nanay mo ngayon.
Check mo.
Okay pa ba yung makeup ko?
Okay pa. Okay.
Thank you so much, Ben.
Thank you, Ben.
Thank you.
Please
Again,
listen.
please promote your podcast and how many episodes you already have now.
So good.
How many episodes do we have?
Covering. Wala, bago pa kasi we've completed 10 and we're about to resume. Kasi na-complete namin siya last year pa, November. So we're about to resume and hopefully we can do a lot more. And we are, again, very new in the podcast space. We are learning a lot and we hope that the conversations between us resonate with all of you guys so that it can be between all of us. Yan. Salamat.
Thank you for having
Pakinggan
us.
natin.
We'd love to come back. This
Thank
is
you.
super fun.
Thank you.
You're welcome to come
Super,
back.
please.
Yes.
Please.
And I think you want to try open mic, right? Stand up.
I did talk to you about that. So when we first met, I was asking about open mic as a craft and how you get into it and how you learn, because it's a real skill, right?
Yeah.
That's translatable to communication in general,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
In business and
Yeah.
everything. So is that where did you all do that?
We
You-
do
I mean, you-
here
yeah.
every Friday,
Yeah.
8:30 here at the Cellar.
Yeah.
So you can sign up if you're ready to do open mic. Yeah.
So in BGC, we have one in Brickwall BGC
Yeah.
every Tuesday, Thursday.
Yeah.
And then Wednesdays in Quezon City, Mo's
Yeah.
Bar QC, every Friday here at
Yeah.
the Century Park. And it doesn't matter if you do it in English or Tagalog, the
Yeah.
audience will understand.
Yeah,
So.
I mean, I have so much admiration for guys doing that and being on stage and exposing themselves. Like, it's
You have not met Muman yet. He really exposes himself.
So I have so much respect for you guys and everybody in that craft. I'll try. Yeah, I'll definitely try one day.
We would invite you to the shows also. We have English shows coming up. So
Yes, please.
we have some comedians from Hong Kong that will be performing on May
Oh.
1st. So I'll invite you guys. So
Cool.
it'll be nice to see fellow white guys
Yeah,
from Hong Kong.
and you can talk Chinese to those guys.
Yeah, Shishi.
Yeah.
Again, thank you so
Thank you so much, guys.
Ben
Thank you,
and
thank you,
Isa.
thank you. Salamat.
Between Us on Spotify. Okay, narito po ang ating mga Patreon. Christian S. Canillan, Giro de Armas, Anne-Marie Gonda Kamanag, Archie Jude Kamanyag pala yung kanina. Aniela Aquino, Patrick Manalad, Ruby Ann Balester, Chick Argones, Rodrigo Robles, Amir Riego, Noemi Basandani, Francis Reboca, John Renz Valenzuela, Francis Gabriel Adeser, Boots Sermeno, Ryan Dale Alian, Marvin Laroya, Gail Galera, Christian Baltazar, Ian Jonas Sumibkay, Joseph Carandang, Harold Mateo, Paul Anwaine Hualo, and Nico Ruiz. Okay, maraming salamat. Those are our Patreon subscribers
Thank you.
that keeps the show going. So those are
Thank you, yes.
these are the persons that give us money every month. So that we can pay our staff
Yes.
here. Thank you
And also
very
the
much,
Patreons
Patreon.
are here. We have a
Ayan na
Patreon
sila.
area and we keep them in a dark place. We don't want anyone to see them.
Can we have
Baka humingi ng pera dito
Yes.
sa kanila.
can we have a photo taken by the camera?
The Cool Pals is brought to you by the Pod Network Entertainment. Be a Patreon subscriber. Visit www.thecoolpals.com. Watch our live recording at the Cool Pals Bar at the Cellar here at Century Park Hotel, Manila. For schedules, visit our website.
www.thecoolpals.com din yan. Bili kayong ticket dyan. May bayad ang entrance dito. Huwag kayong kuripot. And follow socials sa Facebook, Instagram, X, at TikTok. So, manood din rin kayo ng vlogs namin sa YouTube.
Yan.
Ngayon
Sama
ka
mo
pala
yan!
Jay!
Isama mo yun!
Isama na yun!
Sama na yan.
Isama mo yun!
Putang
Oh.
inang yan.
Mag-Patreon
Wala ka
kaya
bang
para,
control?
para may panggamot kami kay Roger.
Kanina pa
Please, mag-Patreon na kayo kung gusto yung mabati. Doon lamang. Huwag na kayong mag-comment para na kayong tanga niyan.
Yan.
Okay, di pa natatapos
Di pa natatapos. Teka
recording
lang,
natin
meron pa.
dahil meron pa tayong mga
Papabatiin.
shows
Okay, may mga shows. Pero,
na
ayun.
ipopromote.
Bago natin i-promote yan, magpapasalamat muna ako dun sa mga tumulong sa amin sa aming Baler Show, ang Nanay Production, ang Baler Pornia, ang Eat Ortus, tsaka yung Gayuma Cafe at Akaw at Tagpuan sa Baler. Maraming salamat sa
Yan, syempre po.
pagtulong ninyo sa aming show sa Baler. Thank you very much.
At maraming salamat sa lahat ng bumili na rin ng April 25 show natin sa
La Union.
dahil sold out na po tayo. Kita-kita po dyan. April 24, nandiyan po ako sa Brick Wall BGC headlining together with Steven Sagan, yan, sila Margie De Leon. At meron din po akong show kasama naman ang mga bigating mga musicians like sila Janoy Danao,
April
Tony
18,
J.
April
Oo.
18.
At sa April 18 po yan sa Minsan Gig sa Sky Dome ng Minsan Studios. Sa SM Tickets po yan. At meron din po tayong Cool Pal 7th Anniversary. Maraming salamat. Sa mga hindi pa nakakaalam,
sold out
na ang SVIP at VIP tickets. General admission na lang po ang natitira.
Yes.
Ubusin nyo na rin po. 1,000 pesos ang ticket lang yan.
Yes, wala na tayong idadagdag pa sa SVIP at VIP.
Kasama
Kasi
natin.
Ang gusto natin talaga, mag-enjoy yung ibig sabihin, hindi masyadong madami para masubulit pa rin nila yung VIP, SVIP tickets.
Kasalanan nyo na lang yan na hindi kayo bumili ng maaga.
Pero hindi naman ibig sabihin, hindi kayo mag-enjoy kung sa Gen Ad kayo kasi...
Ang daming surprises pa rin dun sa main
Bob
show.
Marley, nandyan.
Uy! Si Bob Marley?
At saka Linkin Park, nandyan.
Michael Jackson,
Nandyan.
Ay, si Michael Jackson. Gusto ko yung karera ng moonwalk.
Oo, abangan niyo yan.
Karera ng moonwalk. So,
Eto, may show nga pala kami nandyan si Mark Colanta, no?
Mark Colanta,
Andito
anong show
kanina.
ninyo?
Pero wala, may show kami sa Kainta. May 9 po yan. Sa anong natin? Anong venue? Ha?
Sweet Idiots Cafe.
Sweet Idiots Cafe. Yan, sa May 9 yan. Kasama ko sila Mark Colanta and many more.
Yan. At si Bobby's ba, may show ba kayo?
Yes po, meron kaming show sa April 17 sa Brickwall BGC Young Stana. Ay, Young Stana. Young Guns.
Young Stana.
Young Guns.
Stana po.
Young Guns of Comedy Manila.
Yan. Kasama si
Dapat
RJ.
pala yung Stana na yung pinangalan ninyo,
parang
no?
may mas recall pala.
RJ Carbonel kasama
Yes po.
mo, si Sherwin Aguilar,
Tsaka
at
si Marvin
Tumon.
Tapos meron pala kaming sa lahat ng bibili ng ticket ngayon, ng physical ticket, 500 na lang yung price na ibebenta
Yan,
namin.
sulit po yan.
Yan.
Sana manood kayo.
Ito, ito, nasa likod.
Yan.
Hindi makita, nandiyan si Patrick kasi.
Oo.
Pero ayan, apat kayo.
Yes, sir.
Ayan, oh. Young
Parang 5 na, nandiyan si Patrick.
Ayan na. Young Guns.
Akala mo naman, ang dadaming pera, isa lang naman yung may umorder. Ayun, isa lang yung drinks.
Yun nga. Young
Pero
Guns,
sulit yan, sulit yan.
Sulit yan.
At 10 ticket, nag-assume siyang may bibili.
Sana may bumili.
Nandito na rin ako eh.
Oh.
Daanan nyo lang siya, sabihin nyo, hindi ako bibili.
Pero sulit yan. Sana makabili kayo. Supportahan ninyo ang mga upcoming comedians ng Comedy Manila.
Yan.
Last time may martial arts.
Oy,
bago
mga
yung
to. Mga champions to ng
Mga finalists
ibang
and champions
competition.
yan ng open mic competition. Kaya hindi yan small time lineup. Big time
Champion
yan.
ba si Bobby's?
Sa
Sa first runner-up.
Kill Pulse.
Kill Pals.
Oo nga, no? Oo nga, mga champion nga. Tama. Oo.
Si RJ, yan?
Wala siya lang
Champion
yung...
ng Bumble naman yan.
Champion ng bamboo.
Oo, yan.
Most girls na swipe left.
Oo.
Per second.
Sakto, nandito si Patrick Bobbies kasi nandito din ang team ng Minute Burger. Maraming salamat po sa Minute Burger.
Thank
Gusto
you.
nyo bang makita si Patrick Bobbies na kainin ng minute burger in 1 minute?
In the 1 minute. Yan, mamaya, magstay kayo.
ganda na.
Episode recommendation from our Cool Pals Librarian, Jomar J. at of the Buhangin Brothers Podcast.
Episode 533 kasi nasubukan yung pag-i-English kanina. May nag-guest kayo before na nagtuturo ng English eh.
Oo nga, naalala ko yan.
Si yung kamukha ni Jimmy Santos.
Na ngayon lang niya nalaman.
lang niya
After so
nalaman.
many episodes.
After
Dito
3
niya
years
nalaman
eh.
yun.
At doon nalaman din niya.
Nalaman niya daw, kaya kasi nagtuturo ng English kasi kamukha siya ni Jimmy Santos.
Lahat ng sentence niya nag-start sa, well.
At saka nagtatapos ng 3 times a day.
Mwah. Okay.
Pasalamatan ko rin yung food sponsor natin, yung Sweet Haven by Lulu's Kitchen.
Uy, sarap.
thank
Salamat,
you.
Sweet
Nandiyan
Haven.
yun, sa Facebook and Instagram nila. Tas
Thank you.
mobile number 0916-245-9524. Yan.
Huwag naman kayo magte-text dyan na
Nang
naglululubak.
Nandyan
Wag naman!
Ganun.
Wag naman ah!
Hindi, nagluluto.
Wag naman.
Luto. Dalawa.
Hindi ko na ulitin yung number 0916-245-9524.
Maliin mo.
Yan.
Okay, sana pinayhulaan mo yung last na number.
May pabati ba tayo ngayon?
Ay, meron
Ikaw ba
po.
Pero pag
bababati?
nag-message naman kayo ng ganun, umorder na rin kayo.
Oo. Kasi
Pwede ba
nagsarado na yung bakery nila Ivan Hotdog eh.
Dahil
Kaka-order ng Ivan's Hotdog. Kaka-order ng Ivan's Hotdog. Ay, sakto kasama
Last
natin si
time-
Patrick Bobis. Pwede natin pasalo sa kanya yung ibang pabate.
Ayan,
Ha?
siya.
Iba pa, Patrick. Ready ka na ba, Patrick?
Sige po, game.
Yan, sakto. Nagko-cold sweats ka na, sakto yan.
Kaya hindi mainit eh.
Sorry, from Ben Liwanagan, pakibati ng happy birthday si John Patrick Samson na nagse-celebrate ng birthday nung March 14 kay Mongolian Rems with J chromosome. Kailangan na niyang makatikim ng Mongolian bago magpatali sa girlfriend niya. Happy birthday, John Patrick Samson.
Happy birthday, John Patrick Samson.
Oh, may ubo yung Mongolian.
Ikakasal ka na raw. Malas mo. Hindi na matitilala yung puwet. Yan ang pangarap ng lahat ng may gay
Chromosome. From Leo, pamura po sa girlfriend kong si Mayari na masikip kay Nigerian Alvin Aragon James. Mayari.
Bayari! Iparamdam mo naman na mahal mo ako.
From Jason Dennis Betito, pabati naman po kay Panasonic Pinoy GB. Ang girlfriend ko si Erin Bernadette na napakasarap magluto kakapanood sa recipe mo.
Nag-ano yan? Autocorrect?
Oo,
Panlasang
Pinoy,
Pinoy.
panlasang Pinoy to.
Panasonic pala eh, no? Ano pangalan na ito? Panasonic.
Ginawat
Panindigan mo na, GB!
Si
Panasonic.
Erin Bernadette.
Erwin. Hello, Erwin. Marami ka pala natututunan sa aking mga putahe. Paborito ko talaga yung mga putahe na yan.
Babae!
Ano ba masarap na putahe ngayon? Bernadette. Siyempre, gawa tayo ng sweet and sour balls. Kailangan mo ng balls na hindi hugas. Tapos budburan mo ng maraming asukal. Tapos sausaw mo sa ketchup. Enjoy!
From Alex Ocampo, pamura in unison sa mga tropa ko na kabilang sa SDD Uno. SDD Uno Gang. Naway mamura silang lahat. God bless sa inyo, Cool
Uy,
Pals.
samahan nyo kami dito pag unison ha. Sabay-sabay tayo ha. Murahin natin. Ano pangalan?
SDD Uno Gang.
Putang ina mo!
Ina, minumura natin, gang.
Sarap, di ba? Sarap.
From John Mijares, pamura po ako in unison. Naging coping mechanism ko ang Cool Pals para makamove on sa ex-fiancé ko
Oh,
Ay, makamove on. Ikaw na, Patrick, ka
na
magmura.
nakipagmilagro sa ibang lalaki.
Ay! Oh.
Na siya rin ang beat nito. Na John Mijares, pare mo rin mga. John Mijares! Puking ina mo!
Yan.
Wow, may laman yun ha.
May laman na cheese whiz.
Oy,
Cheese whiz.
Ang inamura yung may laman na
Oh,
tissue.
cheese whiz, ham.
From Julie Flor Soriano.
Ang laman nun, ha?
Yung mga nito, yung palaman eh. Ano, sorry, Joman.
From Julie Flor Soriano. Pamura ako ng kaibigan kong si Neil Jan Mosines. Nigerian accent, James.
Hello, what is the name?
Neil Jan Mosunes.
Hello, Neil Jan Mosudes. Sabang kadiri.
Pamura at pabati po ang aking asawa na si Alex Stanislao kay Chinese Panlasang Pinoy GB. Sana humaba pa po ang kanyang
Bangs.
tiwala at pasensya. From Chris Stanislao.
Sino?
Alex
Si Alex Si Alex.
Stanislao.
Stanislao, ha? Kumusta ako, ha? Chinese sa Palasa Pinoy. Ikaw, kailangan ng putahe na papahaba na pasensya. At ano pang papahaba? Sama na natin yung titi mo. Kuha ka na 1 kilo bihon, 1 kilo canton, tapos 2 pakete sinigang mix. Isang sili na sinigang. Naglalawaya si Patrick Bobby. Tapos samahan mo ng 2 hotdog. Enjoy!
From Marv Justin Pontarum, pabati
Huwag
sa
pala,
tropa
huwag
mo.
hahatiin yung hotdog. Kung gusto mo babantiti, baba.
Pabati sa tropa ko na bagong kasal na si Jello and Con kay Panlasang Pinoy GB. Turuan mo sila, sir, kung ano ang tamang ingredient sa married life.
Well,
Jello and Con.
happy Sunday muna sa inyong dalawa. Gusto niyo palang gumanda ang relationship ninyo. Hulang-una, huwag ka na magluto. Umorder ka na lang. Wala kayong pinag-aawayang maalat o matabang. Kasi minsan dyan nag-uumpisa yung hiwalayan eh. Umorder ka na lang sa Grab. Oh, pwede na yan. Bye-bye.
From Jai Lorenzo, pabati sa amin ng fiancé ko na si Marie Dani sa aming 9th year anniversary kay Nigerian Senator Bato. Marie Dani.
Ano pangalan yan?
Marie Dani.
Maridan. Talagang naguguluhan talaga ako, Mr. Chair. Nagtatago na nga ako dito sa loob na parang rhinoceros. Kaso nawalan ng electric fan. Lalabas tuloy ako doon sa puwet ng rhinoceros. Parang hindi ako makita ng ICC. Kaya ko si Is Ventura.
Alabas sa puwet. From Herbert Rosalem. Hello, Cool Pals. Pamura naman po sa Taguro Brothers. Wala si boss mo, man.
Ay, naku, nandiyan si Patrick.
Ikaw na lang. Taguro Brothers, Patrick Bobis at James. Ang office mate ko na si Jules Belch, Jos Gonzales, Rex Navarro, Kil Bodoy, Clos Clodio, Jet Tormes, Alje Matangkoy na nagpapamura sa akin na di makapag-Patreon.
Galing,
Lalaki ng tao. Nagpapamura sa lalaki. Buddy!
Mga putang ina ninyong lahat. Kasama ko ang kapatid kong si Taguro na may 100 body fat percentage.
Ano sasabihin mo, Taguro?
Sabihin mo to. Kalalakin yung tao nagpapamura sa ibang lalaki.
Karalakan yung tao! Nagpapamura kayo sa ibang lalaki.
Iba, Taguro.
Kapatid na wala chemistry, ha?
Hindi tayo nag-connect doon dahil yan sa katabaan mo.
Ayan, nakadalawa sila.
Ayan. From 30, pakibati kay Nigerian James ng happy birthday sa napaka-cute kong girlfriend na si Rika.
Alo, Rika, I will not interpret the song from The Lion King because I am afraid of a lawsuit. I will pack you in the ass, Rika.
From Iris Christian Godines. Pamura po sa fiancé kong si Nika Talafer in Iqbal accent. Nika Talafer.
Talafer.
Nika Talafer. Ay, siya, Iqbal pala.
Iqbal.
Nalilito.
Teka,
Nika.
piit mo na yung radyo. Okay.
Nika Talifer.
Yeah, tama na.
Nika Talifer, binabati kita. Magbe-birthday ka ba? Hoy, birthday mo. Para mapasaya mo ang iyong lalaki, meron siyang hidden desire na magpadila sa puwet. Happy birthday.
From LJ Patanaw, pamura kay Denise Babiano, kay Alvin Aragon, James Accent. Nakikinig pala ng Cool Pals. Denise Babiano.
Denise! Ay, utangin na mo lahat na ng bakla kinalaban ko.
From Jason Brion, pamura naman sa asawa kong si Fayen Santos. Pakibati na rin siya ng happy birthday kay Chinese Bulakenyo GB.
Sino ya?
Fayen Santos Brion.
Sakto yung taga-Bulacan dito. Kaso gigid to Wala kalupi. Ano gusto niya ulit?
Pabati lang, happy birthday.
Okay Kayo mga taga-Bulacan, alam nila to, kanta to Special na birthday mo Ito, special to, kanta na to Di ko kinakanta palagi ito. First time to. Chede kong kong kwai la. Chede kong kong kwai la. Chede kong kong, chede kong kong. Chede kong kong kwai la. Tangina nyo, giginto.
From Joseph Brian. From Joseph Brian Villalonda. Pamura po kay Ilocano Mongolian Ryan Rems. Salamat po, Joseph Brian Villalonda.
Joseph Brian. Anya apelido na?
Violanda.
Violanda. Di ko malagip di apelidom. Amok lang nga naimas takarat mo kininam. Mapangkal di plaza, kitam di uncle mo. Agi baba shorts agpasubo, buto di jay bakla.
From Edmar Joseph Lugarta, pamurahin Ilocano Mongolian, sina Irene and Alex habang nasa plaza. Irene and Alex, pamura.
Irene and Alex! Dalawa lang kayo. Dapat 3 para makabukay ng bilog. At makapagdilang kayo ng puwet sa plaza.
Pamura naman po sa pinakamamahal kong asawa na si Kathleen Reyes in Chinese GB, panlasang Pinoy accent. From Primo Dinero. Kathleen Reyes.
Birthday Birthday?
Pamura lang daw.
Pamura lang
Sa
Okay
pinakamamahal niyang asawa.
Okay Chinese panlasa Pinoy Bagata araw sa'yo, gusto ka batiin asawa niya Asawa niya yan? Siyempre, binati ka asawa mo, dapat balikan mo siya ng magandang putahe. Gawa ka ng magandang siopaw. Siopaw. Kagawa ka, Arina, halo mo Arina. Bola mo Arina. Kasi para magbuka siopaw. Lagay mo rice cooker. Tapos sabay mo na sa kanin. Pagluto na kanin, iwan mo 5 minutes pa yan. Hindi pa yan ready Tapos pag nabuo na yung siopaw, hatiin mo sa gitna, palama mo cheese whiz. Tapos bigay mo sa mister mo, sabi mo sa kanya, I love you! Bye-bye.
From Rustic Gerald Orculio, pamura naman sa asawa at 3 kong anak. 2 aso, 1 tao. Tangina ito
Bugtong ba yan?
Malamang yung nasa crib niya yung aso.
Ang sagot, lamesa.
Na nakaupo sa taasa. Kay Lord ni Alvin James na sila Colleen, Ellie at Gojo. Ewan ko sino yung aso rito, saka yung anak niya talaga. Walang linagay. Mahal kayo ni Lord, kaya sumunod na lang kayo sa Kanya.
Ay, nasa na yung... Anong pangalan ng mga anak niya?
Colin, Ellie, at Gojo.
At Gojo, buti na lang mga aso kayo, hindi kayo magiging bakla.
Tangina. Galing ah.
Good to know. Good to know.
Oo, Alvin Aragon.
Congrats. From Justin Nierba, pamura po kay Sultan Rems in Francis Leo Marcos na may J chromosome accent ng happy birthday sa sarili ko ngayong April 14. Happy birthday, Justin Nierba.
Justin Nerva. Kumusta? Hindi ko alam ginagawa ko. Isipin mo na lang na ako si FLM na bawal lang gamitin ang pangalan. Tangina mo, sana J chromosomes na lang in order mo.
From Carl Francis Latonero, pamura po kay Mongolian Worth It Ryan Rems. Sa tropa ko na open micer na si John Oliver Howe, na nagdadasal ngayon kasi mahal siya ni Lord. John Oliver Howe.
Ilongano to?
Mongolian Worth It.
John Oliver Howe. Kumusta na? Nag-open mic ka raw. Ako nag-open mic din ako dati. Kaya lang, ginawa kong mic yung mic stand. Nalito ko. Siguro dahil meron akong gay chromosome.
From Ship Life, pamura po kay Alvin Aragon James, ang tropa kong si Junel Visayas na manonood daw po ng live recording pag uwi niya ng Pinas sa March.
Jonel Visayas! Visayas ka pa, daming bakla dyan.
From J. Olikino, pabati po kay Miss Isa Calzado. Malis na pre.
Paano niya alam?
Hindi ko alam. Pabati po kay Miss Isa, ang office mate kong kalok-alike din daw niya.
Sakto
na si Penny Javier.
Isa Calzado.
Ito na!
Nung high school pa siya.
Oh, si Penny Javier.
Sabi nga, di ba? Sinabi niya yun. Di ba? Sinabi niya yun. Iwas sa Patty.
Penny Javier.
Ikaw si Patty Basil.
Penny Javier.
Si Patrick Buki. Si Patrick Buki.
Penny Javier.
Hi, Penny Javier. Puking ina mo.
Isa Calzado eh.
Kinain
Isa Kalsada. Ang lapad ng kalsada.
Two-way eh. Ano ba?
Expressway eh.
From Bang Bebedor. Anong pangalan? Pamura kami ng partner ko na si Maria Rica Sanchez from Puerto Princesa, Palawan in Commuter St. GB. Maria Rica Sanchez.
Anong gagawin?
Commuter St. GB. Pamura lang daw po.
Mahal na diesel. Mahal na diesel. Huwag ka nang lumabas. Chakul.
From Benji Martal, pabati po kay Tay. Last one, Benji Martal, pabati po kay Tay Ilonggo, Jesus Nonong sa pamilya ko sa Pinas. Pasensya na yung padala ko sa inyo dyan, pinang Patreon ko muna. Madalas kaming makinig ng misis kong si Maya Jane, lalo na mga long drive, listening from Melbourne, Australia.
Ano pangalan niya?
Si Maya Jane, yung misis niya raw.
Maya Jane, pinapamura mo yung misis mo. Gusto ko lang sabihin na ito yung papa nyo. Yung mga kamag-anak nyo dito, nagpe-pray sila, wala sila makain, tapos pinag-Patreon mo pa. Nagdadasal na sila dito, naghihirap sila dito, kaya ang gusto kong sabihin sa inyo, sino yung anong pangalan ng asawa niya?
Benji Martal.
Oh, Benji, pinapamura ka ng asawa mo. Nagkwento siya dito na ginugutom niya na yung pamilya niya sa Pilipinas. Last na pamura na to, pinapahaba ko pa. Oh, basta, Sa asawa mo, wag mong kakalimutan na isubo sa umaga ang kanyang
Sawari.
daliri sa paa. Tsaka sawadi ka.
Yo, maraming
Ay,
salamat.
salamat!
Thank you. Next episode.
For stand-up shows, visit www.comedymanila.ph. Nandiyan po ang schedule ng lahat ng shows natin sa Brickwall BGC at open mics natin sa Moe's Bar QC at sa The Cool Pals Bar at The Cellar. Again, www.comedymanila.ph.
See you sa mga shows.
Yeah.
See you.
Bye-bye. Bye. Ay, alam mo, ang hirap talaga pag may live audience tapos nakikita mo silang kumakain. Nakakagutom talaga.
Sinabi mo pa. Ngayon, problema ko, natatakam ako. Parang nagkikrave ako sa sisig,
Oh.
sa Hungarian, tsaka sa burger.
Napakatakaw mong hayop ka.
Huwag kayong mag-away. Okay lang mag-crave.
Oh.
Dahil may solusyon dyan, ang Minute Burger.
Talaga?
Oo. Gusto mo ng sisig?
Oh.
Gusto mo ng Hungarian?
Oo.
Ang Minute Burger, merong sisig burger at beef Hungarian sausage na available sa Grab at sa lahat ng stores nationwide.
Ay, nako, Jomar. Kumuha ka nga ng 5 sisig burger tsaka 5 Hungarian sausage. Hoy, eto na. Ang bilis. Ang bilis. Ito na ba yun?
Galing! Ang bilis!
Hoy.
Ang maganda sa Minute Burger, buy one, take one lahat ng
Ay,
mga
kaya pala-
sandwiches. O, dalawa yan.
Dalawa to.
Teka lang, JB. How can we pay for this?
Click the link sa description and when ordering via Grab, use voucher code KUTOMOMENTS MB for discount. Promo starts April 14 until May 30, 2026.
Ang adlib lang na dun yung
Kaya tandaan nyo mga Cool Pals, Minute Burger ang sagot sa gutom moments.
wow,
Kain
gutom
na.
na ako. Tara, kain na tayo.
Minute
Meron pa ba
burger.
dyan? Meron pa dyan?
Uy,
ang
lilipad
bilis!
nga, ang bilis ah.
Grabe.
Meron pa?
Ay,
Wow,
ay,
grabe!
Grabe, ang
Bango
dami. Uy, ito yung Hungarian.
Uy,
galing.
buy one, take one din.
Ang lupit oh.
Kain na.
The opinions of podcast creators, hosts, and guests are not necessarily reflective of the official stance of the Pod Network Entertainment, its hosts, or other network programs. The content created by the people behind the podcast is personal and not meant to harm any religion, ethnicity, group, organization, company, or individual.